Balance. You cannot have an up without having a down. The sky is something you see from here on the ground. You won't care for the sun if we never had rain. And you won't care about health if you never have had pain. Without death you would not savor life. Before you can have peace, you have to have strife. You cannot know happiness if you've never been sad. Good's just a word if you didn't know about bad. A smile is just a mouth till it breaks into a frown. You cannot have an up without having a down. You can't move ahead if you haven't been back. You'll never know wealth until you've experienced lack. You have to see villains to know whom to hail. On the road to success, it's okay to fail. You must have a verb to put with your noun. You cannot have an up without having a down. You cannot take the road that leads to your heart unless you have a goal and the commitment to start. There's truth in this verse, and there's fiction here too. Your job and mine is to find out what's true.